gonna forget this ever.
She said, "Bye, Daddy."
You
love cars?
I love cars.
Good. I love cars too. I'm just into exotics though. I really don't care nothing about the older cars and stuff. So if you're an older car person, just
no, I'm fine. I love all of them. I follow Supercar Blonde on Facebook.
Oh, me too.
I love her show. She has some really nice cars on there.
Yeah, she does. What's your favorite car?
My favorite car? And I love the old classic Shelby Cobra is my favorite car.
Eleanor?
No, the Cobra.
Oh, okay.
The actual Shelby. The little 2-seater.
Hard to see out here, ain't it?
Yeah, that's crazy.
We can go windows down if you want. It's really like...
Such a beautiful sound. Love the sound of exhaust.
So what kind of cancer was it again?
Colon. I had stage 4 colon cancer. Diagnosed back in June. And it just hit me. Like, I was just like, wow. Like, in shock. I'm not thinking, you know, so one of those things like you never thought would ever happen to you kind of things to hit me. So I've been healthy like my whole life, and just to find that out, just it knocked me down. Like, it almost threw me into a depression, honestly. Just not wanting to believe it and accept it. So
how did you catch it?
Just went to the emergency room, complained about, you know, just the pain that I was having day in, day out. And my wife just made me go to the emergency room when I was back in town, because we just moved here. We were originally from Texas, and I moved here for my work, and they had me traveling for a little while before we opened up our site here.
What kind of job you do?
I'm a contractor for the railroad.
For the railroad?
Yeah, I'll be working over there at the Toyota Mazda once I'm back. Right now I'm still out of work. Still recovering from everything.
So was it just pain all the time, or pain?
It was pain. It was just, I was bleeding when I would go to the restroom.
And that wasn't a sign?
Stubborn. I've been stubborn my whole life.
Yeah, I just normally bleed when I go to the restroom.
I'm just like, it'll go away. I don't think that's nothing. You know, that's probably nothing. It's probably nothing. Like, just, I don't know, just not wanting to believe that nothing's wrong with me. The way I've always been. It's a horrible thing for me.
Good thing your wife made you go.
Yeah. So we just went, and they took it out, and the recovery from the surgery was like the hardest part, I think.
Who's your doctor?
Dr. Mann.
That's who I got.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah, I love him.
Me too.
He's great. He told me straight from the beginning what was gonna probably happen, how it was gonna go. I love having him as a doctor. We finally went, and I've been doing my treatments, and went for a PET scan about 2 weeks ago. It came out clear.
Excellent.
One of the greatest things I heard.
Yep, I bet she was happy.
Oh, yeah,
it was
ecstatic. I was freaking ecstatic. There was no words for it, actually. And just greatest thing. Told my family, everybody in my family's happy to hear that. And just now it's just try to keep staying healthy and keep on top of everything. Just get checked every time I need to get checked now. Make sure hopefully it doesn't come back. You never know, really. But now that it's hit me like this, it's like I'm really gonna live my life more now. enjoy the time with my family.
Absolutely, it changes you a little bit.
Exactly. Like, I was talking to a friend of mine. He's like, dude, no more traveling, bro. It's like, no, I'll travel a little bit for the work, but not like I did this year. Like, my family, I need to be there for my family. That hit me. Like, I had spent hardly any time with my family this year.
And how old's your little girl?
She's 6.
Yeah, you definitely.
She's 6. My son is 10 or 11 now, actually.
And he didn't get to come.
Yeah.
And he was really wanting to see this thing.
He wanted to go spend the night at a buddy's house for the sleepover. So I was like, okay. Yeah, just totally different person now.
Good. Excellent.
So this was your dream car?
Yeah, pretty much my dream car. Yeah, it was really just the Lamborghini Aventador, and then I just decided I liked the SV because it looked really, really more sharper than just the regular Aventador.
Yeah, the blue on this pops with this car. It makes it pop really good.
Yeah. We're gonna get us a pull here. Pulls where we get to take off a little bit.
Yeah, all right.
Just let this traffic get out of our way. This is my spot to do it at every time.
Is it?
That cop gonna be sitting here down here one day waiting. Like, I know you do it every day, right here. Get us straight. Don't let this go. This car. Here we go. Excessive speed warning.
Oh, that was amazing. Oh, that was great. Gosh, she has power. That was awesome. I'm not gonna forget this ever.
Who told you about it, Teresa or Mandang?
Mandang, when he gave me the results, he asked me. I was like, yeah.
Who's going to turn down around a Lamborghini?
I was like, it'll probably be the only time I ever get to do it. I'll do it, yeah. So yeah, I mean, he asked me about it and I was just like, yeah. It's like, I don't even think he had a chance to finish the sentence. He was saying yes. Now, Teresa showed me the videos.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, she showed me some of the videos.
You're the first one filmed with an iPhone. That's for sure. I don't know what happened to him. I mean, that's why I was late. I mean, I was playing with 2 of them, like trying to figure out what the heck's going on. Why won't they come home? They want to come home.
It's crazy.
They're wanting to film us.
Are you from around here?
Yeah.
This area?
Yeah, I live just
okay.
right there.
Yeah, I'm coming from out in Hazel Green.
Oh, okay. I used to live in Hazel Green.
Yeah.
I used to live I used to live 2 different places. I grew up with my mom and dad. You know where the Mapco is, right behind the Mapco?
Yes.
I lived back in there with my mom and dad. Then when I got married, I moved to Colonial Golf Course, right there where Colonial Golf Course is, right there on Patterson.
Okay.
You know where the old neighborhood where the Mapco is?
Yes.
Go right around that curve there. That's Patterson. When it makes that curve, there's a golf course back up in there.
Okay.
I live back up in there.
Okay, I'm off at Limestone right now.
What? Oh, you're way up in Hazel Green.
Yeah. My sister lives out here, actually, in Huntsville area.
Yeah, I live in Huntsville now.
And we hit our year mark here in Huntsville this year, in October.
You like it here?
I do actually do. I really like it out here. I mean, I'm coming from like the big city, San Antonio, Texas, and it's packed there. And just to be out here where it's, you know, it's nice, quieter.
You just turn your blinker on there and pray nobody's over there. You sure can't see. There was nobody on the road today. It was like easy.
That's nice.
Bobby Land's calling me. Or I'm calling him one. phone's on video over there. He better not be messing up my video body, Lamb, with your phone call. Was that yours right there?
Yeah.
I got right behind you, didn't I?
That's fine.
You want your little girl to sit in it?
Let me open these.
Okay. So the little black button on the side there, the bottom right there, press it down, pull the silver tab up, and use your elbow, your other arm to open the door. There you go.
Wow. That's cool.
No problem.